Ысык-Көл областы, Тоң району, С.Эркинбаева атындагы жалпы орто билим берүү мектеби, англис тили мугалими Г.Джусубакунова Гульнара Бакасовна. Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I am very glad to see you. I am Gulnara. Today we are going to speak about the present continuous tense. The objectives of the lesson are: students will be able to describe the present continuous tense and its forms, enlarge their vocabulary bases, and improve their speech habits. They will love the nature, widen their scope and horizon. The present continuous tense describes the action that is going on right now, at this moment, at present. It is formed with the help of the auxiliary verb to be, plus ing form to the main verb. For example, I am speaking right now. You are listening at present. Now I want you to watch video.
Hello, Tony.
Hello, Gogo. What's that?
It's my submarine. Get in.
All right, super.
Look, there's Jenny.
What's she doing?
I don't know.
She's diving.
She's not diving now.
What's she doing?
She's swimming.
I hope you understood what is the present continuous tense and its forms in persons. I want you to do some exercise. Please match the words and pictures. Next, please change the sentence in persons. They are playing. What are you doing? I am running. She is eating. Dad is reading a book. He is dancing. And the last task is please describe the picture. Your homework is make up your own story about your family. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye. See you later.